Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So these are 3 mindset keys for you to getting really good sound. So I've written it all down. How about you just read it so I don't have to use half an hour on making a video about it. And this is one of the 3 points, and this is the second point. And here is the third one. Right there. So hope you guys can use this in order to achieve a much higher level of quality sound. And yeah, that's basically me logging out. And like and subscribe if that's possible. Have a nice day. Bye.